Hello everybody. In today's lesson, lesson 2.8, taking apart numbers. And our essential question is, how can you show all the ways to take apart a number? Okay, and in today's lesson we're going to be using connecting cubes. Okay, and we're going to start on page 81 of the first grade Go Math textbook today. Alright, so listen and draw. Use cubes to show all the ways to take apart 5. Color and draw to show your work. Okay. So just the word problem basically is Jada has 5 grapes. What are all the ways she can share the grapes with her sister? Okay, well, get 5 cubes, okay, and one way is that she wouldn't share any of them. She wouldn't give any of them away. So if that's the case, we would color 5. I really can't see that, can you? Let's try a different color. Okay, that's a little better. Alright, so we have 5, and we didn't take away any. And so we show that by 5, take away nothing, leaves us 5. Alright, well, what if we gave her sister 1? We took 1 away. How many would we have left? We'd have 4, right? 5 take away 1 is 4. So in that case, we would color 4 of them. Okay. And 5 take away 1 is 4. I'm going to go ahead and circle the one we took away, and I'm going to cross it out. Okay, because we've been practicing crossing out what's being taken away. Okay, so we had 5, and we took 1 away. That left us 4. Well, what if we took away 2? Well, if we take away 2, we're left with 3. Okay, and this time I'm going to circle 2 of them and cross them out. So 5 minus 2 is 3. Okay, do you notice what's happening with your difference as we take away 1 more each time? So we went 5, 4, 3. And what's being taken away? 0, 1, 2. All right, what if we had our 5 and this time we gave her 3? Well, that would leave us 2, right? And this time I'm going to circle 3 of them and cross them out. Okay, and so 5 minus 3 would be 2. Okay, let's put our 5 back together. What's another way we could take apart 5? Well, this time we could take 4 away, right? If we took 4 and gave them to her sister, we'd be left with 1. Okay, and so our subtraction problem for that one would be 5 minus 4 equals 1. Okay. What if we had 5 and we gave all of them to her sister? How many would we be left with? We are not left with any, right? So in this case, I'm not going to color any in. And I'm going to say 5 minus 5 is 0. So I'm going to circle them all and cross them out. All right, let's go to page 82. Okay, and this time we're going to do 9. Okay, now Jada has 9 grapes. What are all the ways she can share the grapes with her sister? All right, so there's our 9, right? And well, one way she can share them is not to give any away, right? And so if she doesn't give any away, she still has 9. All right, we have 9. What if I took away 1? If I took away 1, we're left with 2, 4, 6, 8. And that makes sense. What's the number before 9? 8. So 9 minus 1 is 8. And you notice here we have one of the cubes crossed out. Okay, we don't have that one anymore. All right, so use the cubes, color and draw to show how to take apart 9. Complete the subtraction sentence. Okay, so here how many are being taken away? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So we still have 9 cubes, right? So I'm going to go ahead and color those 9 in. Okay. We took away 2. So 9 take away 2 is 7. And we can check that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. All right, what if we had 9 and we took away 3? How many would we be left with? 2, 4, 6. Okay, so color in the remaining cubes. So we had 9 minus 3 is 6. Okay, so now we're basically just continuing the pattern. Okay, so up here we didn't take away any. Here we took away 1. Here we took away 2. Here we took away 3. So this time we're going to take away 4. So circle 4, cross them out. Let's take away 4 from the cube train. And we have 5 remaining. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 9 minus 4 is 5. Okay, let's put it back together. We had 9. Okay, so now we would take away 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Cross them out. And how many would we be left with? We'd be left with 4. Almost took them away. Took those away. Sorry about that. Okay. So 9 minus 5, 4. Put it back together. So here's our 9 again. This time we're going to take away 6. If we take away 6, we're left with 3. Okay, again, 9 minus 6 is 3. Okay, so we have 9 again, and this time we're going to take away 7. Okay, if we take away 7, we're left with 2. Okay, now let's take away 8. If we take away 8, we're left with 1. And now, the last one, we have 9. Let's take them all away. So if we take them all away, how many are we left with? 0. Okay, so let's circle them all and cross them out. Okay, so we have now shown all the ways to take apart 9. Okay, so 9 minus 0 through 9 minus 9 are all the ways to take apart 9. Okay, let's look at page 83. All right, this time we're going to take apart 10. So get 10 and all the ways to take apart 10. Well, let's think about 9. What was the first thing we took away? We took away 0. So color all 10. okay? And we're not going to take it anyway, so we're not going to circle anything or cross anything out. So 10 minus 0, how many are we still left with? I didn't take any away, I still have 10. All right, now what's the next one? We have 10, and we're going to take away 1. If you take away 1, you're left with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And again, that makes sense. What's the number before 10? 9. Okay, so this time we're going to circle, color in 9 of them. Circle the one we took away and cross it out. The next way, we have 10, and we're going to take away 2. Okay, if we have take away 2, we're going to be left with 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Or count by 2s, 2, 4, 6, 8. Okay, so we've gone 0, 1, 2. The next one we're going to take away is 3. So if we take away 3, we're left with 2, 4, 6, 7. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 10, 9, 8, 7, so on. Okay, this time let's take away 4. Okay, if we take away 4, we're left with 6. Two, 4, 6. So 10 minus 4 is 6. Now we're going to take away 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How many are we left with? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. 10 minus 5 is 5. Okay. Now we're going to take away 6. Ten minus 6. How many are we left with? 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. So again, we took away 6, and we're left with 4. 10, and this time we're going to take away 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Leaves us 3. You notice I forgot to cross this out in the previous question. Okay, so make sure we're still crossing them out, okay, not just circling them. All right. Now we have 10, and this time we're going to take away 8. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 are taken away. And we show that by crossing them out. And that leaves us 2. So 10 minus 8 is 2. Okay, this time we're going to take away 9. And 10 minus 9 is going to leave us 1. Okay. And in the last one, we're going to take away all 10. 10 minus 10. Okay. So this time we're not going to color anything. We're just going to cross out all 10. 10 minus 10 leaves me 0. All right. Let's look at page 84. All right, James has 10 books. He shares them with his sister. Draw one way he can share the books. Okay, well, so let's draw 10. Okay. Two, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, so we have 10, and he shares them. Well, We could take 0 away, or we can take all the way up to 10 away, right? So we have 11 different ways we could subtract. Okay, so you choose one. It doesn't matter. Okay, you just have to, we've drawn our 10. Now we have to show that we're sharing it. How do we show that we're sharing? We take them away, right? We take apart the 10. And I'm going to say, I guess I'm going to share 4 of them. So I'm going to circle 4, cross them out, and then I'm going to color the other ones. Okay, so what did I do? I had 10, and I took away 4, and so I still have 6. Okay, so it doesn't matter which one you have, okay, just that you show a way of showing it. Okay, 23. Hannah has 7 shells. She shares them with Emily. Draw 2 ways she can share the shells. 2 ways. Okay, so this time we're going to draw 7. I'm going to go ahead and draw it twice. All right, so there's our 7, and we have to share them with Emily in 2 different ways. All right, maybe I'm going to give her 3. Okay, so I would have 7 minus 3 leaves me 4. And maybe the next time I'm going to give her 5. Remember, the part crossed out means you're taking it away. Okay, that means you're giving it to somebody. Okay, so here I'm going to give away 5. And that would leave me 2. And again, you can share them any way you want. All right, number 24. I use 6 marbles. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, 6 marbles to play a game. I lose 1 marble. Then I lose 1 more marble. How many marbles do I have left? Okay, so I need to know that I had 6. I lose 1. That means I don't have it anymore. And then I lose 1 more. Well, there's a couple ways we can do this. We can cross out 1 at a time. Or we can say, well, how many did we lose total? We lost 1 and then 1 more. So we lost 2, right? So I need to cross out 2 marbles. Okay. So I cross out those 2 because I lost them. So 6 minus 2 equals 4. Or I can go by ones. So I lost 1. Now I had 5. And then I lost 1 more. And 5 minus 1 is 4. So 4 marbles. Number 25. Circle all the models that show a way to take apart 8. Well, first off, we've got to have an 8, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That would work. This is 8 minus 2, which is 6. So that one works. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. That's 7 minus 2 is 5. That's not going to work, right? It has to be 8. We're taking apart 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. This is 9 minus 4, which is 5. That's not taking apart 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This one has 8, and they're taking away 5, which leaves them 3. So that one works. Okay. All right, so that's it for taking apart numbers. All the different ways of taking apart a number. So until our next lesson, I will see you soon.